better than a kid at play. Okay, let's go outside and play. Whee! Good job. He's getting ready to drive. What do you see? Do you see the black cat? Kind of looks like popcorn. Running, running. Here you go. You want your dump truck?
Tractor.
You want your tractor? Here you go. It's a little bit scared because they don't have any gate or railing. All right, here we are. Chilling. The fun part about this is it turned into a pool session all of a sudden. We are fortunate. It is the end of February and it's about 75, 80 degrees. Learning how to climb. Got your new outfit on since we got wet in the other one. Good job climbing. All right.
Mama, Day.
Hi, hi. Say hi. Oh.
Garbage truck.
Want to watch garbage truck?
No.
No.
Yeah.
Boop. 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 And you want to turn it up? You're so close. You snuggled to mommy. In front of our crew. Hi, Lexi Lou. Hi, Maya. Good to see you, girl. Hey, Cardi. Hi. Going for a little walk. Beautiful. See the iPhone zoom. Oh, what did we get? Pizza.
What is this? You know what's in here?
Pizza. Oh, what did you just do? Chased after a plastic bag. Look at that. Cares about the environment.
On an island.
Yeah. Good run. Fast.
See the bear in the snow? Always got a popcorn.
Hey, Maya. Hi, Lexi.
And a red balloon and a picture of a cow jumping over the moon.
And a book.
Another book. What about this one? Good night, Moon.
Pinky.
Binky.
Run away, bunny.
Runaway bunny.
Yeah.